Hey guys, it's Nate again with Evan's Family Woodworking. Hey, today we're going to be doing a little DIY cross using some wood lath from Home Depot, and let's get started. So for this project, we're going to be using wood lath. You can buy this in bulk at Home Depot. It's about $15 for 50 pieces, and they're 3 or 4 feet long. I went ahead and cut a whole bunch of random links for what we're going to do today, but I wanted to make sure that I cut them at a 45-degree angle so that the joints come together like that, and I'll show you later how that's going to work out for us. So once we've laid out a pattern of what we had in mind to do with the lath, we are going to go ahead and paint it. I've chosen a few different colors, kind of a base beige, an icy gray, and just a deep blue, along with a white with a cross that will be on top of everything else. So now what we're going to do is we're going to start putting together. I've drawn a thin pencil line to design where I wanted each joint to be, and we're going to just keep adding as we go around, show you what it looks like when we're done. So here we are with our pattern set, and what I'm going to do in a minute is take this to my saw and cut off all the excess around what the original board was, and then I'll put my cross on. So now we've added the cross, use some trim pieces. It's not perfect, but get better as we go. And now all there is to make the frame. We'll see what that looks like when we're done. So this is our finished product. Ended up being, after I trimmed it down, it's 15 3/4 by 15 1/8, almost square. Ended up using a dark maple stain on the frame, and then I went through with the dark maple stain and covered everything and then wiped it off, including the cross. And then I went back on the cross and added more white paint just to distress it a little bit more. I did sand everything down, a couple of rough edges here and there, but that's okay. And one of the things I don't mind is when the wood has a mark in it like that, I leave it. I sand it down, make sure nobody gets cut, but I leave it. And then the backing is just the plywood. Had a couple of nail pops, cut those off. And then I will add some hardware to it to hang it up. And that is a little DIY wood art project for you. I hope you liked it. Hey guys, I hope you liked the video today, and you're enjoying the series of things we've been doing. God's doing a lot of great things for us, and I just wanted to share something that He had put on my mind to do this. I came across it the other day and just thought I had to try. So hey, don't be afraid to try something new. You never know what you're going to be able to make. If you like the video, please click like and subscribe and follow us and see what comes next. Hey, thanks a lot, and God bless. Have a great day.